What if I told you the money in your hands is disappearing without anyone touching it? What is inflation? Meet our guy. He walks into this cafe in 2006, checks the menu. A burger costs just $5. Life is good. He smiles, orders, no questions asked. Fast forward 20 years, 2026, same cafe. Same guy, same burger. He walks in, looks at the menu, and it's $25. He didn't get richer. The burger didn't get better, but somehow it costs 5 times more. This is 20 years of inflation, and it's happening to everything around you right now. Why does inflation happen? So where does inflation actually come from? It starts here, when governments print more money than the economy needs. More cash flooding the system sounds great at first, but it isn't. Because now there's more money chasing the same amount of goods. And what happens when demand goes up but supply stays the same? Prices rise, that bread, that milk suddenly costs you double. The money in your bag worth less than yesterday. Let's break it down simply. Gas prices spike first because energy powers everything. Then it spreads, bread goes up, a bottle of water goes up. That box of cereal that was $10, now it's $20. This is called the price cascade. One price rise triggers another, then another. It's not random, it's a chain reaction. And every link in that chain hits your wallet a little harder. And this is what happens next. Prices up, panic sets in. People rush to buy everything before it gets even more expensive. Shelves empty out fast. But here's the cruel irony. That panic buying actually makes inflation worse. More demand, less supply, higher prices. It becomes a self-fulfilling cycle. Everyone's afraid of tomorrow's prices. And that fear alone is enough to create exactly what they're afraid of. Who suffers the most? So who really suffers from inflation? The guy on the left, he earns a salary, fixed income. But inflation is raining down on him like a storm, rent leaking out, food leaking out. Gas, taxes, bills, his bucket is draining faster than it fills. He's exhausted just trying to keep up. Now look at the guy on the right. He doesn't hold cash, he holds assets, gold, real estate, stocks. Inflation actually flows into his buckets and makes them grow. Same storm, completely different story. The ones who suffer most. The ones whose only asset is their salary. But if you want to stop being the guy on the left, the big secret. Think of it as a race, 3 runners. The first guy, savings, is barely walking. He's dragging a heavy mattress stuffed with cash. He feels safe, but he's falling behind. The second runner is inflation, moving at 3% every single year, without stopping, without tiring. If you want to learn more about investing, check out our previous video using the card at the top of the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. And the third, investments, sprinting at 10% and pulling ahead fast. 10 years later, the finish line tells the whole story. Investments won, inflation kept up, and savings? Still dragging that mattress dead last. Keeping your money in cash isn't playing it safe, it's losing in slow motion. The crossroads. And so here you are standing at a crossroads. Left road, cash in a safe, feels secure, but now you know what inflation does to it. Right road, gold, stocks, real estate, a home of your own. Assets that grow while you sleep. The choice seems obvious now, doesn't it? Inflation never stops, so neither should your money. The only question left is, which road will you take? Don't wait for tomorrow. Subscribe now and invest into your future.